Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Today we're going to do a unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Jolene by Myka Jelina. Okay, and I'm going to say, if you hear some laughing in the background, it's my husband downstairs playing Call of Duty. Yeah, crazy man. Especially now that he has a PlayStation 5. He's out of control. Anyway, okay, but at least he's having fun. Okay, excuse me. So yes, like I was saying, it comes in this beautiful box. It's round because it has a circle, and if you see if it's pink or red, I think it's more pink, it's round drills. Okay, very pretty shiny box. Scan me and lock 10% off. It's tells you the kit contents and directions step by step. All right, so let's open this baby. You know what's so funny, guys, is that Myka Jelina is actually one of my favorite artists, and I might have, I don't know how many of these of Myka Jelina, and I've never done an unboxing. Is that crazy? Yeah. So I think I'm going to start doing that, opening some of my favorites. Okay. So let's open the toolkit. I know you don't have to do that. You can just pull it apart, but I don't know, for some reason I like doing that. Okay. Ooh, I see something that I really like. Okay, so it comes with an orange pen, which I don't think I have an orange one. The power grip for the pen. The container with wax inside, which I love, love, love. These little container, heart-shaped. It comes with resealable bags. This is just in case if you don't have the container with you, and you could put the drills in here. And it comes with this beautiful, oh gosh, guys, look at this pretty washi tape. It has stars, and it's like, it's very shiny. I have a frog in my throat, I guess. Then it's got placers. And of course, the wonderful tray that I love, and it's got a stopper so the drills won't spill. And the beautiful cover minder. It's a pretty cloud. Look at it. It's got a little bow, and I don't know if these are the cheeks. So it's a cute cover minder. Very, very cute. Okay, it's actually a little heavy, which is nice. I love the washi tape too. Okay, let's put this aside. It comes with 2 stickers. This is the small sticker, and this one you could put underneath your box if you are laying them flat. And that way when you look for the painting, you know that that box is, Jolene is in that one. Okay. They all come in a plastic bag. So let's open this baby up. So Myka Jelina, I absolutely love her. She's so cool. I love everything she makes. She likes to draw from the delicate relationship between light, darkness, beauty, and balance. She's just too cool, guys. And she has a lot of paintings at Diamond Art, from Diamond Art Club, that they sell them. I think she has 28 paintings altogether. Like one is like Willa, Nova, the Serafina, the Dreamcatcher, and so on. So anyway, okay, the canvas. The canvas is smooth like butter, and is designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Made from heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra smooth. Okay, so let's get where are the drills and the stickers and the instructions. So it always comes with a thank you for your purchase with the kit's contents. So it's basically what's in the kit. Tips and tricks. If you get 10% off your next purchase by using that code, thank you 10. And VIP Facebook group, and step-by-step instructions. All right, let's move that aside. We don't need that right now. And this is the bigger sticker, and this is what goes in your logbook. Okay, so again, Jolene by Myka Jelina, which I think it's a cool name too. You put down the start date, the end date, and there goes that beautiful picture. Look how gorgeous she is. It's round. And these are the stickers that go on your containers. They're already pre-cut for you. So perfect. All right. And then of course the drills come, which I like. Now they come labeled. So if you separate, like I do, you separate the drills from the canvas of the painting, you will know that these drills belong to that painting. And let us open the beauty. Okay, very quickly. At the bottom, it always has a picture. It tells you DAC, AB Jolene. It's 20 inches by 27 inches, 50.7 centimeters by 68.6 centimeters. Myka Jelina, the name of the artist, and Diamond Art Club. Okay, and then over here it says take 10% for your 10% off your next order if you use that code. It's a lifetime warranty. And then over here, your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club, which that's great. Okay, so let's open her up. Oh, look at the colors, guys. Oh my gosh. All right, and let's just turn her like I always do, so we can flatten her a little bit, because the poor Jolene has been in a box for a while. Love all the purples already, guys. Okay. Great size too. Wow. I love her, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, calm down. Do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club on the top. It always has two legends. One on the left hand side, on the upper side, and then one on the lower side, on the right hand side. Okay. And if you look at the legend, it tells you that it has 56 colors. It tells you the symbols, and the symbols are what you find on the painting, and the DMC codes. And let's see how many ABs. I believe it has 4 ABs, which is wonderful. Okay, and of course you could add more ABs if you like, or sparklers, and so on, even crystals. Why not, right? What the heck. Anyway, so what else? And let's look at this beauty. Look at how gorgeous she is, guys. I love her long brown hair. It looks like it has like, it's a wavy hair. I love it. Maybe she had braids on. I don't know, but it's just absolutely beautiful. It's got these beautiful purple flowers on her head. And then it looks like there's curtains back here and a beautiful lamp. Let's look at the picture because it's easier for me to see. And then she's sitting, wow, she's sitting on this beautiful green chair, very ornate. And look at her delicate hands. She's got a couple of rings. She's got purple nail polish. And then there's a little book here. Not a little, it's actually a big book. Okay. And then there's a pillow here. And then she's got this beautiful purple gown and this little table here. And it looks like she's having some tea. And then there's a flower here. So she's having some hot tea. And let's not forget her medallion. Look at that green medallion. Emeralds, maybe. Absolutely beautiful. I love all her work. I think I said that already. Yeah. All right. So let's see how sticky she is. Super sticky. Love her, love her, love her. And let's bring her up so you can see how clear. Let's see so you can see her. Look at her face. I don't know if you can see with the light, but let's see, maybe the flowers. See the flowers. The beautiful green eyes. Let's see her medallion. And look at that lamp, guys. Love the lamp. Wow. You definitely need some ABs in there. And then, of course, let's bring this up so you can see the tea. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there we go. It's got a spoon. All right. So let's look at the drills. Let's put her over there. And I will open them and set them down and we will look at them. Okay, let us begin. 154. It's like a purple. Let's see if I put it right there. 155. This painting is gonna have a lot of purples, guys. 159. It's like a blue purple. 208. Purple. 300. Brown. 301, just a lighter brown. Okay, and then 315. It's like a brown, reddish, or purplish. 318 is a gray. 319, green. 327, a beautiful purple. 333, it's like a blue purple. 336, it's a blue. And 356, not much of this, but it's like a, I don't know. It's a very pretty orangey, like an orangey peach color. All right, 400s. This is 415, a gray. 435, it's like a dark mustard color. 437, a light mustard color. 550, another purple. Oh, by the way, we have two 550s. 562, very pretty green. And 640 is like a brown gray. More gray. All right, let's do the 700s. 704, it's like a lime green. 779, it's like a brown. 803 is a blue. 819, very, very light color. I don't know if it's like a light tan. And then you got a couple of hitchhikers in there. 823 is a blue. 839 is like a brown. 869, another brown. And 898 is a darker brown. Okay, so far, lots of purples. All right, let's do the 900s. I don't know if it'll fit here. 909 is a green. 938 is a brown. And 939, there's 4 of them. Okay, and this is like a blue. It's like a navy blue. 976 is like a mustard color. And 991 is a beautiful green color. Love that. Let's do a couple of these because I think we have, do we have space here? Oh, we don't actually. Can you see that? Sorry about that. That one you can see them. Yeah. This one is 3021. It's like a very pretty dark gray. This one is 3607. It's a pink. Not a lot of it. 3743. A very, very light purple. 3746. Another purple. And then this is 3787. And this is like a gray. And then you have 3790. It's like a tan. Like not even. It's like, oh gosh, I'm colorblind. It's like a brown. Okay, so I'm going to move all these. So far, lots of purples. Move those aside. And then this is going to be the last ones. 3803, very, very pretty purplish, reddish. 3806, another purple. Oops. 3818, a green. 3830, another pretty color. 3834, another purple. 3837, purple. 3847, a very pretty green. 3853, it's like a mustard orangey color. 3857, very pretty brown. 3858, another brown. 3860, another beautiful one. And this is 3865, that's white. And 3371, I don't know, that's like a dark chocolate brown. All right, now the ABs. Now we said, I couldn't believe this, guys, but when I was cutting them out, guess what? Not only does it have 4 ABs, but guess what I found in here? Yeah. What is this? What is this? These are special drills. Can you believe this? Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Okay. These are ABs. 106. It's like an off-white. I think I'm going to sneeze any second. 112. It's a very, very pretty light purple. And then you have another purple. 126. And 137, a very pretty blue. Okay, so these are the shiny ABs, and that is a special drill. Yeah, special drill. So let's figure out where these belong in the canvas. All right, let us start with 106. Yeah, 106. Where's 106? Okay, 106 is number 1. All right, let's see. Okay, so I see some here on the cup. Some on the table, sprinkled. Some over here. I think that's the back of the chair. Yep, some there. Some on the lamp. And that's about it. Okay. All right. And then 112 is number 2. So wherever you see a number 2, aha, it's on her, looks like her eyeshadow. And, oh, that's going to look pretty. Let's see, anywhere else? There has to be more. 2, where are you? Aha, it's down here. It's on the book, which is very nice because it's going to make the book look sparkly. Very shiny. Okay. All right. And then this is 126, and that's going to be number 3. So let's see. Where's number 3? I thought it was going to be on the pillow, but it's not. You have some here on the cup. Let's see. Any more 3s up here? Right here. They're sprinkled in the background. And some more over here. And up here behind her, and some on the flowers. So that's going to look very nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then this one is 137, and that's going to be number 4. And I already see the blue. It's all here, so it's going to be like behind her to make her glow. And some on the lamp, and and some down here. Wait, I don't know if you can see that over here. Right here, lots of 4s there actually. Okay, and then the special drill. So that is 444. Where is that one here? It's at the bottom. So it's that symbol that looks like it says is. Okay, let's see if I can find it. Let's see. Aha. Okay, you know where it is, guys? It's some on her rings. So I guess her rings, you know, they're made out of probably gold. And of course the chair. On the chair. And yep, that's it. I think that's it. So she's going to look absolutely gorgeous, guys. I am in love with her. Love her. Okay, so let's put everything around. Well, not all the drills, it's just too many. And there it is. That's it, guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Thank you.